Can you see that, Cody? First test cut. You nasty old nasty disc you sent. You didn't send me a nice one. This is just a locator cut. 6/1000ths. Can you see that, Cody? That's 6/1000ths. Pretty warbly. Okay, second cut, Mr. Codestone. I don't know if you can see that or not. But second cut, that's 6/1000ths also. Now we're getting into some meat. Looking pretty. So we're taking our last cut. It's 2/1000ths for just a cleanup cut. Looking pretty. Okay, Cody, this is the other side. Didn't seem like this side was won that much. Angel hair. Woo. Oh, starry night. What do you think, Cody? I know you'd love to have one of these guys. It's got reverse, insta neutral, and it's even got two-wheel drive. Military edition. Ain't this a good, cool parts getter? Check it out. Check this out. Woo! That's a big box of steel. Stand back because I don't know where this thing's aiming. But that is cool. Guys, this is the shop. Now this is what you listen to all day in a real machine shop. Yeah. Walk around the shop. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi YouTube.
This is Sean. Just had an AMA race, did good. Now he's working for the money, working for the man. Look at this. Making sparklies. Oh yeah. All these cool machines. Little area I get to play in. This is my little lathe. I do heads on. Oh yeah. And the big lathe, I do discs on. Already seen some of that, so. It's a big Bridgeport. And I'll be using that tomorrow to be cutting the sections out of the discs. This is a cool little indicator. Touch and indicate, yeah. Cool stuff. that's about it.